Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel. Today I will quickly show you how to set up a 10% discount but not more than $50. $50 or 50 rupees. So for this, I'm using the next cap and discount app from Shopify App Store. You can also install it from Shopify App Store. I attached the app link in the description. So once you install the app, you can open the app. So we can click on create new discount. So we can give a title, right? You can make discount code or automatic discount. I'm making a discount code and giving the name 10 off. Okay, I'm copying the discount code. And our discount is 10% and maximum capping is 50 rupees. 50 rupees or $50. And we are giving for all the products. You can select any specific collection or specific products. I'm giving for all discount, all the products. And in discount message, it's not mandatory for discount code. When you are using an automatic discount, you can give here. So I'm not giving any minimum purchase amount and I'm applying for all the customers. And you can also combine with any other discounts also. I'm saving the discount. Once you save, you can check the discount is active on your discount section. Okay, now we can test this. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. So you can see there is how many products. I'm deleting some of them. So now you can see this is one product is there and 10% of 20 to 50 it's 25 and if we apply it's applying 25, right? And we are making it 3 now it's 10% of 750 75, but you can see the discount is applied only 50 rupees. Okay, so this is how we can make it a cap and discount easily in your Shopify store. If you find those video helpful, please do share, subscribe to our channel. And you can also install the app from Shopify App Store. I also attach the link of the app in the description. Thank you.